weather message. The National Weather Service in Cleveland has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southern Ashtabula County, northern Trumbull County until 1:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 12:59 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, the National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing quarter-size hail and damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour. This storm was located near Orwell and moving east at 45 miles per hour. Locations impacted include Andover, Kinsman. This is a dangerous storm. Seek shelter inside now and stay away from windows. Please report hail and strong winds to the National Weather Service by calling toll-free 877-633-6772 when you can do so safely. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 1:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in Ohio: Ashtabula and Trumbull.
This is no